What happens when opportunity knocks, but you are not sure if you deserve it? In today's episode, Ravi gets a shocking news at the office. A new position is opening, and his name is being considered. But there is one condition. Will Ravi step forward, or step back? Let's begin day 8. Unexpected announcement. It was Monday morning. The whole team was called into the meeting room. Manager said, "I have an important announcement." Everyone became serious. "We are opening a new team for international clients." Murmurs started. This team will directly communicate with foreign clients. Ravi's heart started beating faster. Manager continued, "We need someone confident, responsible, and improving." Then he looked at Ravi. "Ravi, your name is on the list." The room went silent. Ravi couldn't believe it. Doubt returns. After the meeting, Ravi sat quietly. Inside his mind, "I am still learning. My English is not perfect. What if I fail in front of foreign clients?" His colleague Amit came. "Amit, why are you worried? You did great in the last meeting." "Ravi, that was local client. This is international." Amit smiled. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from trying. Ravi stayed silent. He knew this was a big chance. But fear was still there. Family conversation. At night, Ravi told his parents. Father said, "Opportunities don't come daily." Mother said, "Beta, you were afraid even to speak one sentence before. Now you handle meetings. Why are you scared of growth?" Ravi thought deeply. Sometimes others see our progress better than we do. Preparation mode. Ravi decided one thing. If I get selected, I must be ready. He started serious preparation. Watching English news. Practicing pronunciation. Learning professional vocabulary. Recording his voice daily. He made a rule. 1 hour English practice. No excuses. He practiced sentences like, "I would like to clarify this point. Let me explain our strategy. We appreciate your feedback. Thank you for your patience." Every day, he improved little by little. Final decision day. 1 week later. Manager called Ravi. "We have finalized the candidate." Ravi felt nervous. Manager smiled. "Ravi, we are giving you a trial opportunity. You will handle one international call tomorrow." Silence. Ravi's hands were cold. Manager added, "We are not looking for perfect English. We are looking for growth and courage." That line changed everything. The first international call. Next day. Laptop open. Headphones on. Call connected. "Hello, this is David from London." Ravi took a deep breath. "Hello David, this is Ravi speaking." At first, he spoke slowly. But he focused on clarity. He didn't use complicated words. He used simple, confident English. When he didn't understand, he said, "Could you please repeat that?" Not ashamed. Not embarrassed. Just professional. After 20 minutes, call ended. David said, "Thank you, Ravi." That was clear. Ravi smiled. He didn't feel small anymore. He felt equal. Inner realization. At night, Ravi wrote in his notebook. Fear doesn't disappear. You move forward with it. He understood something powerful. Fluency is not magic. It is daily practice. Confidence is not talent. It is repetition. Dear viewers, You don't need foreign accent. You don't need advanced grammar. You need practice, courage, consistency. Don't wait to become perfect. Start before you feel ready. Ravi didn't become fluent overnight. He improved because he didn't stop. Ravi looked at his reflection and said, I am not the same person who was afraid to speak. And tomorrow, a bigger challenge is waiting.